If you have any high definition content that you need to distribute to various panels or projectors, and you need to be able to control them, really think about contemporary research, because not only are we a great solution for that, we're the only ones that do control over coax. Up until now, what a lot of people maybe did not know is that we had the whole end-to-end solution for IPTV. We were just waiting on the decoder. And now that we have the decoder, we are now not limited to just the coax side of control and distribution. What I hear a lot of when I visit dealers is that your product works. They can pretty much install them and forget about them. As soon as you're set up as a dealer, it's a pretty quick turnaround. I know everybody from the front office to the manufacturing, they're always trying to be a step ahead. We print our own circuit boards right here in the state of Texas. I love the product, but what's more amazing is the fact that you're able to do high definition content distribution at a great price. There's no limitations to our products. You want IPTV world, we have IPTV distribution. And what's great about our products, no matter what, we're always trying to save money. I can't stress it enough that we are your end-to-end solution when it comes to high definition content distribution.